Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath it is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 19-inch 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Lighting package with adaptive high beam assist, full LED headlamps and tail lamps. A saddle brown leather interior with a burl walnut trim, panorama sunroof, 3-way climate control for the front, middle, and rear. GLS 450, 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats. Driver's assistance package with active blind spot assist, active lane keep assist, Distronic, premium one package with Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, illuminated door sills, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, magic vision control, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, turn wheel and touchpad for infotainment center. This GLS has 18,556 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.